What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So we have another one courtesy of MagBak today. It is in regards to their wireless chargers for Teslas. This is one specific for the Cybertruck, as you can see that we're in right now. The only difference is it has a slightly different design with the Cybertruck logo in it. We'll show you that here in a second. And it does come with this extension cable because of how far the dash goes from the screen where this is going to be mounted into the back charging ports for the USB-C, so you don't occupy your front one. Now, it is a very simple, easy setup. It only will take a couple minutes to do. Let's go ahead and unbox this really quick and show you what comes in here. So as is the case with all their products, as you can see here, very simple packaging. It says MagBak wireless charger for Tesla, MagSafe compatible. And when you actually open it up, you'll be greeted by a very simple packaging with the charger right up top here that will pull out. And the first thing you'll notice is just how well made this actually feels, and your initial USB Type-C cable to go along with it, with some 3M sticky tape here, MagBak logo on the actual charger itself, and again that little Cybertruck logo, which is one of the only differences you'll really notice here from the standard one. Very solid construction, well built. Like I said, set that down to the side. You're gonna have your reading material here letting you know a couple of details in regards to this. Again, nothing crazy. Plop that to the side, and lastly all you'll have is a couple of alcohol pads. And this is what's going to start our process. We're gonna take these and wipe the screen. Let's get right into the install. All right, so like we said, first step is going to be to open your alcohol pad and take it out and wipe down the back side of the display right here, as you can see, because this is where that mount is going to adhere to. Now, one quick call out while we wipe this off and it dries. This mount is not really meant to be moved around. It's really preferred to be left in one vehicle. Again, thanks to this double stick tape. So just keep that in mind. If you have multiple vehicles, you'll want multiple chargers. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Let me know if you pick one up and how you like it. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and simply just line it right up on the edges here and pull forward. And you wanna hold this for about 20 seconds. So let's go ahead and count this down and we'll be good to go. All right, and once it feels like it's on there and secured, you can go ahead and undo the tie, keeping the cable together. And you're gonna want to tuck this back behind the screen and run it as good as you can to hide this down the well of the storage compartment of the Cybertruck and back to those rear storage compartments. So what I'm gonna do is try to tuck this aside right now and give you guys an idea of how it looks. So what you're going to want to do next, as you can see, I'm running the cable here. It's tucked around the back screen of the Cybertruck. I'm going to tuck it behind this wheel well, like I said, and run it all the way until this short cable is maxed out. And then we're going to go ahead and grab that extension cable we were talking about and use this to go the rest of the way. So let me go ahead and set this down right here for you guys and show you exactly how to continue this process. You're going to take the female end of the connector here and just plop it right in there and continue to tuck this right back around and down through the wheel well, or the well right here, excuse me, all the way down through here so it'll go to the back seat. So go ahead and tuck this down again and run it right through here. Now let's head to the back and plug this in. And now you're just going to want to reach through and get that cable. Just like that. And again now, with that cable in hand, you're just going to reach down and plug it in right here. Just tuck the extra cable right there. and they're all plugged in. I'm going to turn this around. And that's going to be it. I know it's hard to see with the lighting, but I think it looks really good right there. It's pretty clean. Now let's give it a test. So once you have everything connected, you have your charger here, we have our iPhone. All we're gonna do is simply just pop it right on, and you can see it's charging as you would anticipate. It doesn't interfere with your view really. You can see everything pretty good. If you needed to swipe, you can see your gear icons and everything is still as usable, and you have a better, safer line of sight for your device if you're using it, whether it's an Android or iPhone. Anything with wireless charging, this mount will work for, and obviously pulling it off is just as easy as you would anticipate. So really not much to it. Very clean, very intuitive. Again, they sell them for all models of Teslas right now. Leave a comment down below if you pick one up. Very quick. The whole install took maybe 7 minutes, and the first time it was just really trying to figure out the best way to run the cable. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.